Hello again. So one of the things that we really wanted to achieve within LineMaker Property Manager is an awesome trip manager, something that was super fast, but also could deal with complex trips. And we think we've nailed it. We really hope you love this feature. We really do. So I'm going to go to trips. I'm going to go to new. And here I'm going to let's just say I'm on the phone to a particular guest who has a super complex trip. If that guest has been in the system before, then they're going to come up here. If they haven't, if an email isn't matched within the system, then what it's going to do, it's going to do a quick create, and we just go new. So we'll do Adrian 10. Test, and we are cheating a little bit here in the sense that we're just using best practice and copying, some of the fantastic features in applications like QuickBooks Online. So we're on the phone to the guest. We want to add some properties. First of all, we're going to, let's just say we want to go January 1 to January 15. And we've got a few couples that want to come, but we don't know how many couples are going to come. So let's just say that if we're going there on our own, we want to use this particular house here. So we're going to create that option A, and it's just one home, dead simple. But if other friends want to come, then not only do we need one home, but we're going to need two homes, let's say, for option B. And let's say if it's a super complex trip, we're going to want a bigger house for maybe more guests. Maybe everybody's coming and we need three homes now. So now we've created very quickly three options, 1, 2, and 3. And now we can add products and services to any of those trips so that it creates this complex trip. Okay, it's a complex trip, so we want to add products or experiences to this trip. So let's go to option A and let's add some products. So let's add let's say a walking tour of Vancouver to option A. It's walking tour downtown, adult, Adrian, other information if you're going for a meal or whatever. It could be gluten-free. And Silka is not gluten-free, and we can add that to our option. If, for example, we want a taxi service to the airport and we want to add that to, say, option B, airport to hotel, I'm going to show you how to set up services within LMPM another time. Actually, let's kill that and then just add that to that option. And let's just say that we want to do kayak tours for option C, a tour of Green Lake, adult, and it's going to be Adrian, Silica, and Yasmin, and Lucas, and I'll lie a little bit about my weight. These are all in kilos for America out there, and I think Lucas is about 72. Okay, and we're going to add those. So now you can see that we're building up a complex tour. Okay, and you can also see that it's stating that the vendor takes payment. So, and I'm going to have a whole video on setting up vendors just in the next little while. So now we've got these three options. We can also add different fees to a particular trip. And again, if for any reason you haven't filled out a pet policy or in this case, there's no active booking policy for the pet fee, we can go into the back end and we can change that. So we can have a look here. We can see the pet fee in the background. Okay, that's great. You can see that it does not have a booking policy. Everything within the system needs to understand how you're going to bill for it. So in this case, we're going to allocate it a booking policy here. And we can allocate that pet fee to some homes or all homes, just at the click of a button here. So we're going to save that, and we're going to go back to that trip, and we're going to go to option C, and we're now going to add that fee. Okay, so we're going to add that fee, and then this time it'll work. So we've got our pet fee of 25, and we're going to okay that. And let's say with option B, we might want to add a fee of, I don't know, health insurance or whatever. And these fees build up really, really quickly. We have some clients that have literally hundreds and hundreds of services, experiences, dining experiences, whatever it may be. You can build all of those within LMPM. And as I say, I'll do a separate video specifically on that. So now what I want to do is I want to quote for these selected items. Remember, what we're trying to do is create a complex trip really quickly. So it comes up with my email here, and I can change that. But basically, if you would like to book one of these, click the book button now, and that template is set up within the template system. Again, I'll do a video on that. And we're going to just check the quote beforehand. We can preview it if we want. There we go. So that's building up in real time, and we can see all of those quotes. So we've previewed it, and now we want to actually send that quote out. So it's building the quote in real time and sending it out in real time, and we're good to go on that. So that email's been sent now, and we can see that we've got an email in from the Lightmaker team, and we can look at those quotes. And if we like this particular quote, and our friends have said that these friends are going to come, that will then take me directly to the booking page, bypassing everything, and I can then book the trip in real time. Now, we've got some additional extras that will come up on the booking page, and again, I'm going to have a video just on additional extras and how to add those. I'm going to have a video on how to add terms and conditions and how to add the payment policy. But basically all a user would need to do at this point is put their name and address in, and the booking will be done. So again, thanks a lot for watching another video. There's loads more to come. Just can't wait to show you all of LMPM. Thank you.